All right, we just parked here. Sorry if it's really bright. We just parked here.
That's a huge.
See, we just parked here. For we're gonna launch some. We're gonna launch some rockets over here.
But with one of our dad's friends, so he didn't mention that.
Yeah, it's with our dad's friend, I guess. He's bringing their kids. So if you see anybody who you haven't seen before on this channel, if you see somebody who you haven't seen on this channel before, it's probably his kids or somebody else's kids.
This guy, he's just this random guy spying on us.
Yeah, he's really weird.
We don't know who he is. Like, we
Yeah.
definitely, but I
It's
mean,
just,
he said, "Can I
what
shoot
the-
rockets with you?"
yes. So, yeah.
Oh no.
What'd you say, Hazel?
Oh no.
Hazel, you excited?
Okay, guys. Cover your ears.
All right. Hopefully everything will work. 3, 2, 1.
What the?
Oh my gosh!
Oh my god.
I have no idea where it went.
What the? What? Oh my
That
god.
was so cool.
Do you see it?
I can't see. I see.
Oh, get it, guys! Aww. Wow.
I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want a video like that, like where we do crazy stuff and just stuff like that, or challenges, or just like a funny video, like weird, I don't know, but we'll do it. I mean, and also I have to say, I am sorry that we didn't post anything for for like a week or two, but I'm posting like maybe 3 videos today. And so if you're seeing this one, there'll be a 3rd video coming next. So see you next time.